Hi, today I'm going to show you a black bean brownie for all the people that have run out of flour. This is super easy and it's delicious, tastes like normal brownie, and the kids won't even know that you've used beans. So I've got a tin of beans here. We have to rinse them well, get all the muck off them. So you just want to rinse all that brine that they're in, and then I'm going to put these into the kitchen whiz. They're in the kitchen whiz, and we just want to pulse them so they all break up. They're pulsed up in the kitchen whiz now. If you don't have a kitchen whiz, you could use a masher or a fork. You just want to squash those beans down. So now we're going to put our dry ingredients in, which is our flour, sugar, cocoa and baking powder, and a little bit of salt. 2 eggs, 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, but if you don't have melted coconut oil you can use normal just cooking oil, and we want 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then we put that all on and we bring that all together. We'll just give it a bit of a scrape down with our spatula just to make sure it's all got in there, all mixed up. Standard baking size tray here lined with paper, and I'm just going to give it a little spray so it doesn't stick with cooking spray. We're just going to put our brownie into the tray, spread that out. You can put berries or crushed nuts or chocolate chips, whatever you like. Okay, that's spread out in our baking tray, and I'm just going to put a mixture. I've got a few white buttons here, but I'm going to put chocolate chips on top because that's what the kids like in our house. But it's lovely if you put frozen berries on top or crushed walnuts or any other nuts. And that gets baked in a moderate oven. I'm going to bake at 150, and I'm going to put my timer on for about 15 minutes, and then we'll see what it looks like. Our timer's just gone off for 15 minutes, and there's our brownie there, and if you touch it it's still a little bit soft, so it'll be nice, it won't be too cakey. So we'll just leave that to cool on the bench before we serve it later with ice cream or a bit of cream. Here's our brownie now. It's nice and cool, so now it's time to cut it up, and it's lovely and soft. I'm going to put some icing sugar over the top of that. There's our brownie there, and I'm just serving it with a little bit of Greek yogurt, but you could serve it with fresh cream or ice cream.